Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this tutorial, I will show how to skip the Windows 11 26H2 hardware requirements when installing on unsupported devices. This method helps you install the latest 26H2 Windows versions on old systems that don't meet the minimum system requirements. This also ignores the TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot check. To do this, first you need to download a genuine copy of Windows 11, 25, or 26H2 from the official Windows website. After that, download Rufus software and launch it. Then connect a USB drive with at least 8 GB of free space. Upload the downloaded 26H2 bootable ISO to Rufus software. Leave the other settings as default. Then click Start. Right here, you will get a Windows User Experience dialog box. Enable the first two options. That option is already enabled by default by Rufus. Otherwise, select the first two options manually. Enabling those two options while preparing a bootable USB will help you to bypass the hardware requirements of Windows 11. You can install Windows 11 26H1 in any old PC or laptop by using this USB pen drive. After creating the USB bootable drive, install Windows 11 by using this pen drive. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.